Did you know that when Einstein died, his brain was stolen? And the man who took it kept it for over 40 years. April 18th, 1955. Einstein passes away at Princeton Hospital. The pathologist on duty was a man named Thomas Harvey, and instead of following procedure, Harvey removed Einstein's brain, put it in a jar, and took it home. No permission, no authorization, just a quiet act of obsession that would echo for decades. He sliced it into 240 pieces, stored them in mason jars in his basement, carried specimens across the country when he moved, mailed thin slices to researchers in plain cardboard packages. Think about that for a moment. The most celebrated mind in human history, the man who bent time with thought alone, reduced to labeled glass jars sitting next to someone's old paint cans. Harvey believed the secret to genius was hidden somewhere in that tissue. He spent his life looking for it. He never found it, because genius was never in the biology. It was in the burning, restless refusal to stop asking why.